The theme of today is the future of healthcare, the transition from sick care to predictive and preventive real healthcare.
So we choose the theme of prevention and prediction because it's a very hot topic today. Because, well, the technology is there. So we have things like artificial intelligence, we have things like networks, app-based solutions.
So it's very important to put this theme in the highlights, since healthcare, we're always talking about healthcare, but actually what we're doing is sick care. So the moment is really there now to move this into healthcare.
The key takeaway is that we're going to make healthcare inspirational. We will prevent you from getting sick. That's not inspirational, but we're going to reward you for being healthy. We're going to give you new ways to fill your bucket list. That is something where people are getting inspired to. We do have to invest in new technology because we currently spend for every 100 euro in sick care, 90 euros to the last 2 years of our life, and less than €1 to prevention, which is absolutely crazy.
If you are able to identify certain patient parameters or certain process parameters who are related to an increased costs, it could be interesting to try to control those parameters so that at the end of the story we could also control the total costs.
If we do not focus on health, that only focusing on sickness is really going to have a huge burden on the economy, not only economy but also on our own lives and the lives of the people around us.
I believe that this initiative, like the healthcare conference organized by Vlerick, is a perfect way to combine multidisciplinary approaches to this interesting problem.
The biggest key factor in innovation is connecting the dots. And you manage to get people from different verticals into one big room.
So we want to bring people together in the sector of healthcare. Normally they don't go to such events, so they go to events specialized for them, and there's no communication between them, which is to their benefit if they want to do their business, if they want to serve their patients better.
So having that mindset and bringing people together, you have a very nice mix to an ingredient that all these people use their own experience and knowledge and look at the future in a very different way than we used to do in the past.